off your phone. Or I can take it to help you. Uh-huh. All right. I have a headache. We are not starting today. No. All right. Yes. Okay. So on Friday, we expanded, right? So we went from one log and we made it so we had a whole bunch of logs. So today we're going to do exactly the opposite. Okay. So when we're multiplying exponents, what do we do with them? Add, right? So here, where it's add, I'm going to multiply. I'm going to change that to multiply. Did you hear anything I just said? Yeah, because you're staring at the floor. Okay, just checking. Okay, so we had one log last time for each individual thing. This time we're just going to have one log in our answer. So this time it's log base 8, and the 7 plus x would be the same as multiplying, so we get log base 8 of 7x. So we're just doing the exact opposite this time. So what do all the pluses mean? Multiply. So I'm going to have, here's my log base 6, just one of them, and I'm going to take x times y times 5. Does it matter which order I write it in? X, y, 5, or 5x, y? Does it matter? It doesn't matter. Now we're just going to put it back together. So we took it apart on Friday. Today we're putting it back together. What? So, okay, so on number 3, it's a division, right? So, first of all, you write log base 5. We just want one of those. So what's in the 2? It's a plus, right? It goes on top. The minus, that goes to the bottom, minus to the bottom. That's exactly right. So this time now, so this is a minus, right? So I'm going to write down log base 2. The x goes on top. The minus, this is in parentheses, so that says the whole thing goes to the bottom. And what does the plus mean? Multiply, so I'm going to have y times 5 or 5y, however you want to write it. I would usually put the number in front, but it doesn't matter. Okay, so how do I start this one? Log base 3. So the x goes on top or on bottom? Top. Where does the y go? Bottom. And where does the 5 go? Top. Because it's a plus. Okay, it is easy. So where does the 6 go? Top. Where does the 10 go? Bottom. Where does the x go? Top, because minus the minus is a plus, and that goes on top. Does that make sense? Is anybody confused? Is that all the examples? Oh, 2 more? Oh, yeah. So that's not hard, right? When the power's in front, where does it go? So when I had, we wrote it as 3 log, right? We just took this one and plopped it. So this 3 goes where? It's the power on the 2, correct? Okay, so I'm going to have log base 4. So I'm going to have 2 to the 3rd. Next I have plus, so where does that go? Top, so that's x squared. And the minus goes y to the 6th, and then the bottom, and it's 5 to the 2nd. So the only thing that you could do here, what is 2 to the 3rd power? And 5 to the 2nd power? Right? Well, can we write it like that? Yes, we can. I'm not going to count it wrong, but you can do it. No, but can you get it right? Yes, you can. So what does the 1/2 mean? Not negative, the square root, right? So this is 16 to the 1/2. What this one is, it goes on bottom and it's 4 to the 2nd plus, so this is multiply x to the 5th, x to the 4th, and then 2 to the 3rd. So I have this is a big old hot mess, isn't it? So 16 to the 1/2 is, what is the square root of 16? 4. So 4, so I have 4, and what is 2 to the 3rd? 8. And then 4 to the 2nd is 16, x to the 4th. So 4 times 8 is 32. And what is 32 divided by 16? 2. X to the 5th divided by x to the 4th. How many? So if I have 5 x's on top and 4 x's on bottom, how many are left? 1. So you get log base 3 of 2x.